Hey and welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're going to check out some iPhone 11 cases. These ones are from this company called Ringke. They actually make a few different cases and they're on the budget side, so these cases are only around $10. But I'll leave a link in the description as always if you do want to check it out. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So we've got a thank you card, so I want to give them a big shout out for sending these cases out for me to review, and it's just a thank you for supporting, and it's a nice little greeting wish there. If you want, you can read that. But these cases were sent out for me to review, but the review is my own opinion. But yeah, let's look at the first one here. So this one is their auction iPhone Black. Got eco-friendly packaging, which is always nice. Let's look at this up. Case. Ooh, so we've got a 20% off coupon here if you want to use that. So feel to use them, guys. There is 1, 2, 3 coupons there, and for your Pro Max and everything. So feel free to use that. And there's some more here as well. So I'm going to leave these in the description. The first one picks them can use that. That's really nice. Yeah, so and here is a promo of their unique bands and to their Fusion X case, which I've got here, which we'll look at later. But yeah, inside, as you can see, we've got a military grade design and awards in here to have a nice sturdy feel, as you can see. But this is really nice. So we've got this pattern here, and then we've got this metal brushed finish effect, but it is not metal or anything like that. This is a TPU, fully TPU case, and we've got some buttons here as well, which is nice. And we've got the gold touch, which I'm really digging. But yeah, this feels really feels premium. Like, yes, it's TPU, but it's very sturdy compared to other ones which are thinner. But let me try this on. So let's get rid of my leather case here. I've got the gold ones, so the gold buttons are gonna go really nice to my phone. And yeah, power button works. Volume rockers good. We've got a nice decent cutout here, as you can see. So that's good. And we do have a front pretty good lip protection. So at the top you can see we've got a much thicker protection, then on the side is a bit decent, but then at the bottom it goes big as well, so that is good. So that's going to protect your phone really well, so you don't need to worry about screen protectors, but of course it's always better to have screen protectors. But yeah, the case is really nice, as you can see. Got the logo there, got the gold touches, looks sleek. It's really nice, I have to say that. That is a nice little design. But yeah, let's look at the Fusion X. Let's open this up here. And you get the same coupons here, as you can see. So I'm going to leave those in the description so you can try them out. And then we have a remove film protection, so you have to do that on the inside as well as the outside. So we've got the case here, as you can see. This is a bit more rugged. We do have TPU as well as a hard plastic here at the back. Very strong PCU. But yeah, let's get these stickers off. Just see where it told me to peel it off. Yeah, just telling me to rub against some edges and just try to peel it off. So let me try that. Yep, there's one of them. Now inside as well. Oh, these are so hard to get off. Okay, I'm gonna put it now. So yeah, let's put this on my phone. So let's just go in with the volume switches first. That's in fully, and that actually looks nice with the gold inside. Yeah, that is actually really nice design. So this is the Fusion X with head protection and everything. As you can see, we've got front protection here, we've got the top as well. The side is the same, it's very thin, but you have it at the top, which is important, and the back and the side you can see you've got a lot of edge protection, got these things in the corners. So this one should be a bit more sturdier than this case here. So it's gonna last at least a few drops, you should be fine, like on the floor and stuff. But heavy drops or long drops, yeah, you are gonna start to see some damage. But yeah, we do have the power button here, so that's nice, that works fine. Volume rocker switch, let's just turn it on so you can see. Works fine. The cutout is nice and decent. The same goes for the volume, works fine. Push them up, push them down, works without a problem, so that's really good. And the cutout for the camera is nice, and we do have protection there as well, which is really good. But I do like this transparent back so you can see the color of your phone. So if you got the midnight green, this will look really cool, like a military case actually. But with the gold, it still looks nice. This comes in a few different colors, so if you do check out the colors, you can always do that. Well, yeah, the case is actually nice, I have to say. And for, well, this one is $13 and this one is like $9, which is still a great price for both of these. I do love them really much. Like this one I like a lot, but this one is very nice and simple as well. Like if you're wearing something black, this will go really nice with that outfit. But if you're going outside, you need some protection, this case will do the job. So yeah, as you saw, the case is very simple, it's nice, it's simple. One of them has this nice rugged feel to it, and the other one is just simple, elegant. And for the price, like $10, that's really cheap for a phone case. And they both feel good in the hand, they look nice, made from good material, and they look really nice. Like the way it's built is really nice. The design, like I like the Fusion X, it looks really nice with the black coming everywhere. Even the standard silicone one, nice with the gold touch, it's really lovely. To the black, I love them both, and for the price you really can't go wrong. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. They actually have a few different other cases, and for $10 it's really a steal. And yeah, as always, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.